In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unshare your Google Calendar with others. Sharing calendars is a great way to stay organized and ensure everyone is on the same page, but sometimes you might need to regain some privacy or tweak who has access to your schedule. No worries, because I'll guide you through the process, step by step. Let's dive right in. To start, open up your preferred web browser and go to the Google Calendar website. Simply type Google Calendar into your search bar and hit enter. Once you get the search results, click on the very first link you see, which should take you directly to Google Calendar. If you aren't already logged into your Google account, you will be prompted to do so. Enter your email address in the field provided and click the Next button. After that, type in your password. Once again, click Next. And just like that, you should gain access right to your Google Calendar. Once in your calendar, look to the left side of the screen where you will see a list of your calendars. Find the specific calendar you wish to stop sharing. Hover over it, and you'll notice 3 vertical dots appearing. This is what we're looking for next, so go ahead and click on these 3 dots. A drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, click on Settings and Sharing. This section provides a plethora of options regarding who can see or make changes to your calendar. Scroll through your sharing settings until you reach the section titled Share with Specific People. This area lists everyone who currently has access to your calendar. Now, to unshare your calendar, simply locate the person or group you wish to remove access from. Next to their name, you'll see a little X mark. Go ahead and click on it. This will immediately remove their access to your calendar. And there you have it. You've successfully unshared your Google Calendar with others. Be sure to double check your settings to confirm that the changes have taken effect. It's always good practice to review who has access from time to time, ensuring that your calendar's privacy perfectly suits your preferences. I hope this guide was helpful for you. Feel free to use these steps whenever you need to manage or update your calendar's sharing settings. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you in the next video.